ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক। তো ফাংশন নিয়ে আলোচনা করছিলাম, তাহলে ফাংশনটা একটু রিক্যাপ করি।
ওকে,
আমি বাইরে এটা ক্লিক করে নিলাম, দেন এখানে বললাম ফাংশন। এক্সকিউজ মি, function dot py, right? ফাংশন লিখতে গেলে প্রথমে যেটা করতে হবে, গ্লোবাল ভেরিয়েবল আমরা ডিক্লেয়ার করে নিতে পারি। x equal to, it can be anything, ধরলাম 1000, দেন ফাংশন জাভাস্ক্রিপ্টে শুরু করেছি ফাংশন দিয়ে, এখানে হলো def, রাইট? নেম অফ দ্য ফাংশন বলতে পারি add function, দেন এটাকে কি বলে, প্যারেন্থেসিস,
কলন।
এইটাকে রাউন্ড ব্রেকেটও বলে, কিন্তু রাউন্ড ব্রেকেটও বলে, মনে রাখতে হবে। দেন I press enter and automatically
By default comes to the
Yeah.
indentation.
Python indented.
Indented.
Remember, in any other programming language, indentation is art. Okay, art means in other programming language we do it to beautify the code, to make it readable, but in Python it is mandatory, not just for making it beautiful or readable or clean coding. At the same time, it is mandatory, right? In JavaScript, if you don't indent it, still the codes will be running, codes will be executing. But in Python, if you don't follow indentation rules, really the program will crash. X and Y equal to, say for example 50, and you want to say return x plus y, and still you are inside the block of code. Function is nothing but block of code, means whatever you write here inside the function, it will be block of code and within the function. Okay, it can be 10 code of lines, it can be 100. As soon as you cross the indentation area and touch this line, the block of code will not be executed. It will not be executed because you didn't follow the syntax, you didn't follow the indentation rule. Okay, now whatever you declare or define out of the function, it is called global variable. Okay, if you say global variable or variables, that means you have also local variable. Whatever you write inside of the function, these are local variable. local variables. And these variables cannot be accessed by other function. Okay, only this function can be accessed. But global variables can access from anywhere, even from different module. We will see it later on. Let's keep it simple. Okay, clear? Now, Anis sir,
Yes, clear.
tell me what is local variable?
Local variable, it can, it's not like a global variable. That means the different from the global variable. As global variable can use the function anywhere from, but the local variable, I think it's only for the local inside the function.
Only for
Inside the function.
existing function.
Exist.
Okay, only for the function we are working on, but you cannot access it from other functions.
Right, it cannot access from other function.
But
The
when
global
you declare a variable globally, you can access it from anywhere. You can access it. You can access from here. Okay, and also from anywhere. From anywhere. Say for example, there are 10 functions. You can access from different 10 functions. Okay, how you will know it is global variable?
when it's declared the outside of the function.
The variable outside the function is global variable. Okay, inside the function is local variable. Inside the function means the variable is only within this function. All right.
All right.
Okay, now I want to execute this function. How I can do it?
Print.
Print. What I will print?
X plus Y.
X plus y. Okay, let me print x plus y.
What happens? Let's see what happens.
But you are violating the last step of function. Okay, let's see which folder we are in. Which folder we are in?
Function.py.
We are in data types.
Yeah.
Where is data types? Data types is here. Is function.py inside the data types?
Yeah, data types inside the data types.
The data types?
Mm-hmm.
Check. Don't just check.
Yeah. It's not the inside the data type. It's not. It's the functions inside the functions.
Inside the functions. Where the function is right here.
Function py.
So function.py is inside the functions folder, not in data types.
Yes. Yeah.
Then why you are saying data types? Why you see? Clear?
Folder is function py,
So,
and the file.
To execute it, what I have to do?
I have to write the Python space.
Python space
function.py, function.py.
Exit.
Python space, yeah, the file name.
Just clear it. Okay. So you said Python dot space
No, not dot. Python space.
space function
Dot,
py.
yeah.
Do you think it will execute?
No,
Why?
because it should be function space function.py.
It's not executing what it said. It's saying can't open file. The function.py is not there. Where inside the data types there is no file function.py.
Should be function.
It is inside the functions, right?
Yeah.
So how we can access it? We have to say cd functions.
See
We have to access the folder first.
first.
Oh yeah, cd space dot dot
This is
backspace.
functions. Okay. Right. Not even taking it. What's wrong? This is cd functions. It's saying cannot find. Okay. It doesn't exist. Let's check.
I don't see here anything you are typing.
You can see it.
No.
No, nothing.
Because
I'm not. I didn't see anything.
it is like the frozen.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The screen is not changing.
Okay.
Leave it and come again. Yeah.
Okay. So it is.
Yeah, it is showing now.
Python fundamentals, data types, and inside the data types, it is not inside the data types. It is inside the Python fundamentals.
Oh, it's a Python. Yeah.
So I have to one step back, cd dot dot, right? Now I can say cd functions. And now you can check. Yes, function.py is here. So now you can execute it. Python
Yes.
dash
Now
function
dot py.
dot py.
Dot py.
Is function or functions? Let's check. Function dot py. Okay. It didn't execute. Why?
Syntax mistake.
Definitely.
We cannot see any.
Number one, you are printing it inside the function. You have to go outside the function.
Oh yeah, indent out the indentation.
Indentation.
Yeah, issues.
Number one. Number two, there is another mistake. What is it? In function, the last step, can you remember? You should call function by name. You have to call it by name outside the function. Are you calling here function by name?
No.
You just print x plus y. Name of the function is this one. So you are not following the rule.
Rules.
Remember, always you have to call function by name. So you are not printing x plus y. you should be printing rather function by name.
By name. That function.
X plus y is inside the function. Inside the function. So when you will call the function, I just save it. It said
Y is
return
not.
x, y is not defined. Okay.
Yeah. আমাদের
Y
উপরে দুটোই আছে।
2x. Okay. Y. Okay. Now you see.
Yeah, now working.
150, 100 or 1000, 1050.
Yeah.
Okay. Now even you can say x comma y here, no problem. If you even don't put the argument, still it will be working because it is global variable. It can access. Even local variable can be accessed by this function, but another function cannot access it
Here.
if it is not declared globally.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep it in your mind. Later we will discuss more about functions. Is there any question? Function plays very important role in Python because most of the task will be done by function. Okay. All right. Clear? Any question?
Clear.
Okay. Now, after function, today we have another important topic, and this is data types. Data types in Python. It's very, very important because Python is more powerful dealing with data. Okay, data. It's more powerful than any other programming languages in dealing data. So it has like other programming languages, it has numbers, and numbers can be integer and floats. Okay, then it has also strings, a, it can be a, b, c, and 1, 2, 3 combination of character and numbers. Okay, and it has also Boolean like other programming language.
Yes, no.
Boolean. Okay, Boolean. Not yes, no, but true, false.
True, false. Oh.
true and false. What
Float.
else?
Float
No, float is in number.
in
Floats.
number. Oh, okay. Not the okay.
Okay. And
Array.
we have collections. Okay. We have collections instead of arrays here.
Okay.
Like collections has 4 types. One is tuples, sets, dictionary. Dictionary. And we have another type. There is lists.
Can you write all of those on a notebook or note page like this as we can understand?
No, I cannot. Can you read it? Numbers, integer, floats. String can be character and mixture of character and number. Boolean is true and false. And we have collections.
4 collections.
Yes. And one is lists. List can be, lists comes with square brackets like 1, 2, 3. And tuples look like lists, but tuples comes with round bracket, parenthesis, like 1, 2, comma, 3. What are the difference between list and tuples then?
Square and round bracket.
Yes, it comes with square bracket, it comes with parenthesis or round brackets.
Round bracket.
And another difference, this is changeable, list is changeable. You can change once you define, you can change. But tuples,
Unchangeable.
unchangeable. Unchangeable. Okay. Then sets, you know, in math we studied in class 9 and 10,
9, 10.
grade 9 and 10 sets. It comes with curly braces. 1, 2, 3. So we can easily differentiate lists
With the brackets.
with the brackets. And this is also changeable. But remember, tuples only cannot be changed. So when we are using tuples, when you are 100% sure, you don't need to change the data. Maximum, we are not going to use it because data is actually always changeable. Okay, now what is dictionary then? Dictionary is very special. Dictionary is very special. Why I'm saying special? Do you remember JSON? JSON in JavaScript? JSON? Do you remember JSON? No, because you are not practicing anymore JavaScript. So forgetting, okay? Now, JSON, do you remember JSON always comes in pairs? We learned JSON always comes in pairs. JSON, JSON means JavaScript's object notation comes with pair, like name.
First name, last name.
Yeah, first name, last name, or name. Anis. Age 32. Salary 100,000. Okay, so JSON always came in pairs. And dictionary also comes in pair like JSON. Okay, dictionary, no, but it comes with like this, like student. Student equal to curly braces. Okay, and here you can say name of the student, like name, remember. Name, Ratan. Since it is string, age 17, right? Very simple. Okay, let's take 7 minutes break, then practice all these data types from beginning to end. Okay, get out from the chair, stretch out, take a glass of water, walk for 2 minutes. Okay, then come back. Thank you. See you in the next session.